Hi, my name is Jan Philipp from the Munsch team, and in this video I want to show you our new calculator tool that you can find on our website. So if you as a welder or planner ask yourself the question, how fast should I weld this welding seam? How long will it take us in total to weld all the seams on this tank? Or how many welding rods should I calculate? You might find some answers in this tool. So just go to our website munschwelding.com and look for our calculator. This is how it looks like, and here you can basically define your welding job. So I'm going to do a fillet weld now. I'm going to choose a max 18 extruder with 4mm rod at 100% motor speed. We're going to weld PE, 15mm sheet thickness, and a total welding seam length of 5 meters. So you just click on calculate, and then you can see that you could weld this at 37 centimeters per minute approximately. You need about half a kilogram of welding rod, and it will take you about 14 minutes to do this 5-meter welding job. So of course now you can play around with the options a little bit to really fit it to your needs and make sure you get the optimum out of it for your welding job. I hope this will help you a bit in your daily life, and if you need further consultations or have questions, let us know. You can contact us via telephone, WhatsApp or email. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the calculator.